Hi everyone, today I'll be sharing about Aristotle's hylomorphic doctrine. Now, have you ever wondered how something changes but still stays the same? That's what Aristotle's doctrine wanted to explain. Aristotle was interested in explaining how things change, but also how they stay the same. So, his idea was that every being is made out of two inseparable parts. Ito yung matter and form. Now next is, ano nga ba tong matter and form? Matter is the potential side of things. It's what something can become. Ang form naman is yung actuality. It's what makes the thing what it really is right now. Together, this relationship of matter and form is called hylomorphism. So, si Aristotle also explained this in terms of potency and act. Explain niya yun, yung form and matter. So, yung potency is the capacity of something to attain another state or perfection, while act is the realization of that capacity. No? Change happens when matter, which holds the potential, takes on form and becomes the actual thing. So, kung para mas magets nyo, let's put it on to some real-life examples. So, imagine mo yung clay na to. On its own, yung clay na to, may potential siya to be many things. Pero, once you shape it sa pot, yung form ng pot is the actual usable object. You know? So, nung pag walang clay, walang pot. Pero, without the form ng pot, clay lang siya. So, both are necessary. So, isa pa example, the same idea na to is naggamit din siya sa seed. Meron siyang potential na maging tree, but only when it grows into that form does its potential become actual. Kasi nung una, ano siya, 'di ba? Seed lang. Pero pag naging tree na talaga siya, yun na yung actual. So, yung seed is yung potential. Yung tree, yung actual. So, yung body and soul naman. Aristotle also applied this doctrine to human beings. Hindi lang clay, hindi lang tree. For him, a person is not just a body or just a soul. We are both together. The body is like the matter, and the soul is the form that gives life, identity, and purpose. They can't be separated if we want to call it a human person. Unlike Plato, who separated the soul and body, Aristotle saw them as a unified substance. So, ito naman, why it matters. The way of thinking made Aristotle one of the first philosophers to provide a clear analysis of change, showing that form is inseparable from matter. So, because of this, he is sometimes referred to as the father of science. So, sinasabi niya na sometimes, yung form is it's made of matter. Yun nga yung sa science, di ba? Ganun, everything has matter in it. So, ano na yung summary na ito? Aristotle's hylomorphic doctrine na sinasabi sa atin, lahat ng bagay is a combination siya ng matter and form, tsaka ng potency and act. This framework helps explain why change is possible, while at the same time showing how things preserve their identity. That's all, and thank you for listening. This is Chester Sean M. Vargas.